Silipin ko daw ulit yung loan app na to kasi nagmahal na yung fees niya at hindi na raw pwedeng matanggal yung loan guarantee or additional services. Okay, I'm talking about OLP. OLP or Online Loans Pilipinas. Sa mga nagsasabing recommended yung loan app na to, sure ba kayo? I used to recommend this loan app because buo siyang natatanggap. And back then, 15% lang yung tubo. At natatanggal pa yung mga etche-borecheng dinadagdag niya. Ang dali pong tanggalin. Pero nagbago na siya, guys. There are things na kailangan natin ipa-make sa kanila aware. I think it's room for improvement, diba? Keep watching. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here, the original Utang Queen. And ang dami sa inyo request na silipin ko ulit tong si OLP. Tapos siyang advance na kinakatas. The disadvantage is that ang laki ng babayaran mo, guys, pagdating ng due date. Prolongation yun, nasa 28% of your outstanding. Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit may nagsasabing recommended. Siguro dahil because ang dali niyang applyan. Kasi hindi mo kailangan mag-submit ng payslip. Tinry ko, I asked my friend to apply dito. Kasi na akong loan dito kay OLP. And hindi siya na-approve, guys. Hindi siya easy apply. Hindi na siya kasing daling ma-approve tulad ng dati. So, para ano pa? Natatanggal pa ba yung additional services? Well, nag-try ako. So, napasilip ako sa app ko, guys. At bumaba yung credit limit ko. Naging 5,000 pesos na lang. Kasi matagal na ako hindi naglo-loan dito. Imagine, kung gusto mong tumaas yung credit limit mo dito kay OLP, kailangan palagi kang naglo-loan dito. Tapos 5 days pa lang before your due date, kukulitin ka na nila magbayad early. It's as if may cashback. Wala naman eh. That 5 days gap, at sasabihin nila pwede ka mag-reloan ulit. That 5 days gap, ang laking kinita nila. Imagine ha, 15% yung service charge nila. At ngayon, meron pa silang additional services na pahirapan yung pagtanggal. 5,000 pesos, 15 days, ibabalik mo 6,525. 30 days, 7,425. Ang mahal dahil kasama dito yung additional services. Sa account ko, and I think sa most of you still have this option, i-click nyo yung may stripes dyan sa baba and then look for additional services and then makikita nyo si electronic doctor. Yan, madali ang tanggalin. I-uncheck nyo lang. Pag uncheck nyo yan, lalabas yung pa-reminder niya that this could take up to 7 days. But so far, tanggap ko naman kaagad, guys. And then sabi pa niya, we do not recommend refusing the additional services offered by us as it protects you and allows you to get a larger credit limit in the future. Seriously? Hindi ko matanggal yung loan guarantee. Ang loan guarantee, syempre, ewan ko, I don't care what this is for. Pero para sa akin, nagpapamahal lang yan sa babayaran mo pagdating ng due date. Hindi mo yan basta-basta matanggal. Okay? So, syempre, dahil binuksan ko na yung app, for the next 3 days, alam ko tatawagan nila ako kasi binuksan ko yung app. Pipilitin ako mag-loan. Baka pagalitan pa ako tulad ng nangyari last time. So, tumake ako ng loan para walang tumawag in the next 3 days. 1,000. 30 days, 1,315. After removing the electronic doctor. Tama pa rin dyan yung loan guarantee na 165, which I think nagmahal. Dati, ano lang, 15%. So, bali, nagmahal siya. Yun yung mga sinasabi nyo, totoo nga, nagmahal nga siya eh. Pero hindi po siya auto loan. Kasi kung iti-take mo, pag-click mo ng get money, pag-agree mo dyan, magpapadala po siya ng OTP. So, walang accidental loan dito kay OLP. Kailangan mo talagang i-confirm. Mag-OTP ka. First of all, magla-login ka, magpipili ka ng terms mo, at mag-OTP ka. So, hindi po accident. Pagkatapos mo mag-OTP, ayun, disburse na. Kaagad ko siyang natanggap. Buo, walang bawas. Pero, yung babayaran ko after 30 days, 1,315. Natanggal ko yung electronic doctor, pero kasama pa rin dito sa 1,315 yung loan guarantee. Chat ako at sabi ng chatbot niya, kailangan ko daw seek assistance from an agent once you have the active account. They will be able to help you with the cancellation process. Email ako sa kanila. Yung email is ito. Kaagad naman silang nag-reply. Sa email, hingi po siya ng phone number, ng name, ano ba yung concern. Ayaw nila. So, yung dapat yung alam, guys, ito. I reminded them that's a sneaky way to add more fees. Ni-remind ko sila dito sa ceiling ni BSP. And I told them, which means na with your additional fees, I don't think they're going to take this seriously. AKA, loan guarantee, you're actually charging borrowers more than 15% per month. So, SEC and BSP, pakicheck po kay OLP kasi parang BS yung dinadagdag nilang mga fees. Hindi to makatarungan. Hindi ko matatanggal yung additional fees. I'm gonna have to pay 1,315 after 30 days, which for me is talagang sneaky. So, for me, hindi siya recommended. Hindi siya top. The only thing good about this loan app is that buo siyang natatanggap kung repeat borrower ka na. Kung first time mo, syempre, huwag kang expect na doon ka sa mataas na loan amount, yung sasabihin niyang 0% interest nga on your first loan, pero kakaltas po siya ng disbursement fee. O, mautak din siya, no? Pinatry ko yung friend ko, hiningi ko yung screenshots, and ito po yung masashare ko sa inyo. Siyempre, i-click mo dito is 10% with 0% for new customer, 20% repeat. Pero huwag kayong umasa makaka 10,000 kayo guys because usually, yung naririnig ko 1,000. Bihira lang yung nakaka 10,000. Ano siya? Na get free. Ba't ganun? Grabe Grabe sila mag-marketing. Get free money. This is not free money. This is a loan. It's a trap. Kasi once na hook ka na, you're hooked for life. Unless yung talagang ayaw mo na talagang umutang. Anyways, so lumabas 1,000 lang. Hindi po yan basta-basta nagiging 20,000. At pag dumating ng 20,000, most likely, you're gonna regret it. Kilalali naman buti itong si OLP. You're going to give your phone number and then kukuha ka ng code. Again, hindi po accidental yung pag-loan dito kasi kailangan mo mag-OTP, may code po. And then, magbibigay ka ng full name, date of birth, male or female, email address, and also your address. And then, yung employment details mo, and then the salary, hindi po kailangan mag-submit ng payslip, and contact person mobile phone, so yung reference mo. So next, hihingi po siya ng mga IDs. Marami yung mga tinatanggap niyang IDs. Kasama yung driver's license, PhilHealth, PRC, UMID, PhilSys, SSS, voter ID, passport, postal, and TIN. Susundin mo yung instructions. After that, you're going to put the details of your ID. And then, ayun, hihingi po siya ng bank account tsaka e-wallet. Pwede pong e-wallet dito. And then, pag-click mo ng get money, ayan, ipapakita niyo yung fees. So, kung first time mo, 0 interest nga siya, pero kakatas po siya ng payout fee. Na kung 1,000, for example, yung ikakatas is 47. Dati 45, ngayon 47. Tumaas ng 2 piso. Doon, get money, mag-OTP ka, at nagpaset po siya ng password, at yung friend ko ay reject. Now, dahil na-reject yung friend ko, sinuggest niya na i-check out na yung mga partners. Now, yung mga partners niya dito, parang katulad din ni OLP na walang kwenta. Isa pa lang sinasabi nilang recommended, pero oh my gosh, 2.1%. Okay ba yan? Recommended ba yan? May links eh. OLP should not be recommended. OLP should not be included in the top loan apps. I used to, because that I saw improvements, and now it's going down. Ingatan nyo yung mga accounts nyo kay OLP, guys, because OLP now, or Online Loans Pilipinas now, is a submitting entity sa CIC, or Credit Information Corporation. So, ito po yung 2 cents ko about OLP. I don't recommend it. The only thing good about it is that mabilis siyang matanggap kung established na yung account mo. Buo siyang natatanggap. But the biggest downside sa loan app na to is ang mahal ng fees niya, guys. And I will not recommend something na magpapasakit lang ng ulo nyo. Hope you appreciate this video. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And please hit that notification button para alerted kayo kung meron ako mga magagandang loan apps na na-feature dito. And if you want to see loan platforms that are better than OLP, please be sure to check out this playlist. Okay? And I hope meron kayong mahanap ng loan app dyan na magpapatibok ng puso. Na much better sa kay OLP. That's all for today. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!